Hi guys, Winnie here. In this video we're going to draw my Draw So Cute winged heart. So let's get started. With this drawing we're going to first start by drawing our heart. So I'm going to start right here. Just going to give myself a point, which is my center, and I'm going to go up with a curve. So this is going to be the top of my heart. So I'm just going to start with that curve first, and so it's a little bit easier for me to figure out how to draw the other side. I'm going to go right up right here. I'm drawing kind of big, so make some measurements to hopefully it's not too off. So I'm going to come down about right there. And so then from there I'm going to bring it down a little bit more on both sides. And I'm going to go straight down now. From this center point I'm going to go straight down, say about that much. And from there, it's a little bit easier for me just to gauge to draw this curve. So bring down a nice soft curve all the way down. Okay, so now to draw the other side. So basically, because I have this point, so I'm just gonna, it just makes it a little bit easier for me to figure out where to go. So I'm just going to drag this point all the way back to there. So now that I have my heart in, I'm going to come up right here in the center and draw the crown. So in between these two little curves right here, I'm going to draw another curve right at the top. So I'm going to sit my crown right in the center, and I'm just going to come up right here and thicken that curve for the base of my crown. And then I'm going to come up once again with another curve, and I'm going to start to draw the crown. So to make it a little bit easier, I'm just going to come right in the center, right here, and I'm just going to draw a V. So this is going to be the center of my crown, and then I'm going to come over here, I'm going to come down and out and connect. So that way it's just a little bit more even. So I'm come out right there and connect. So then from there I'm going to draw some circles right on top of each prong right here to finish off the crown. There. Okay, so then from there let's draw the wings. So in about, let's say about this area right here, I'm going to start to draw a wing. So I'm going to come out and curve it out nice and round, and I'm just going to come in here with another one, and let's see here, come out with a, come bring it in a little bit more. So this one's going to be the shortest one, and bring it in. So you can come in here and finish off this wing and add some details. And so for some more details inside, I'm going to come in this area, let's see here, about right here, and I'm just going to draw a curve that just kind of tapers off. I'm just drawing some details inside, and some curve, and another curve. So let's do the same thing on the other side. So we go right across, so make it a little bit easier. Let's give ourselves some points so it's not too off. So at least we know it's going to be in this area, and I'm going to try my best here. So it's going to be a curve, and I'm going to bring it out. So what I can do is come right across. Just try my best to make it straight across, say about right here, and just know that's my highest point, and then I can bring it in. So I know this is my point right here for the bottom, so what I'm going to do is draw a curve out. So that way it just makes it a little bit easier for me to figure out these curves. So I'm going to bring it in, so I'm going to add two more, and one short one, and bring it in. So once again, come in here for some detail. And once again, right in his area, just taper in, and a curve, and a curve. There for some details. Okay, so then right in this corner, I'm going to add a highlight for the heart. So I'm just going to draw a curve right here, following my outside, and round it off and connect it. And so now to bring it to life. So in this area right here, I'm going to add a really big circle for some Draw So Cute eyes. And another one, so right across, right here. And add another circle, nice and big. So let's make them Draw So Cute eyes. I'm going to add 2 small circles inside for highlights, and a curved line at the bottom, and shade in the top. And the lines at the bottom. So same thing over here, 2 small circles for highlights and a curved line at the bottom, and shade in the top. And the lines at the bottom. Okay, so then from there I'm going to come up right here over the eye and just draw a small little curve to anchor my eyes. And if you want, you can add some lashes right here. Just very simple, maybe just 2. It's all up to you. Okay, and then right here in the center we're going to add a very sweet, happy smile. I'm going to cap it off, and right here I'm going to add kind of like a U right underneath it for an even happier smile, and add a curve inside for the tongue. And then in this area, I'm just going to do it really lightly. You can add some cheeks. So right here. That is pretty much it for this Draw So Cute winged heart with a crown. Hope you guys love how it turned out. If you do, please give me a thumbs up and share it. And remember to subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.